Another method to operate milling cutter, make a round. 1. Select the entire graphics. Click 4. The outer frame is cut with number for cutting blade. 2. Select the inner of the graphics. Click 5 and cut the with number 5 milling cutter. Click 6 copy and click first call, +2 to add to columns and to rows of graphics. Right-click computer mouse to exit. This layout method is more efficient. Choose one of the in the graphic, then click select and click select same. File 36 is displayed on the screen. Click OK directly and all is darkened. Click edit, either edit, shrink to center, OK in order. The milling cutter will start cutting from this point. The center of each circle is where the milling cutter punches. The diameter of the hole is the size of the milling cutter. Click Send, adjust the machine head position and then click Start. Machine will start to mill.